Hey everyone, this Audi Q8 came to me this evening and DIY Detail sent me this 1-year ceramic coating with graphene a couple weeks ago, and I've been playing with it. It's time to do a little video. 120 milliliters, guys, 4 ounces. And I don't remember offhand what the price is, 70, 80 bucks. But what a value, because this little bottle is going to do many, many vehicles. I love the application with that oil slick on water, and when I was applying it, I just love when I'm doing it, I do larger sections. I did the whole hood. I split it up into 4 sections, then went back and leveled it with my first towel, and I just love the oil slick on water type look and how it's so easy to buff off or level with that first towel, and then the second one just coming back. When I do the sides, I'll do a quarter panel and a door. Let it oil slick on water, level buff. Same thing on the other panels. But just so slick, and just the application is amazing. And it has one big attribute that I love over its biggest competitor, which I also love their product as well, their 1-year ceramic coating. You guys probably know who I'm talking about. But when I'm working on a time crunch, and this is my 1-year ceramic coating package, this doesn't stay overnight. I can't sit there and spend an hour drying this thing. I do my best to dry around the cracks and crevices. But with this one, compared to the other product that I often use and also like, if this hits water, it doesn't instantly cure, and it doesn't leave a high spot. The other one, if it gets any moisture near it, it's a high spot, and you still have to actually polish it. You can't cannibalize it and introduce more product and buff and level it. This one you can. So it just gives me a little peace of mind that, oh man, there's another high spot I made. There was a little water that dripped out of a crevice. So I have been loving this. Let me know what you guys think. It's in my 1-year ceramic coating package. It should easily get 12 months. I'm in a little tougher climate through the winter here in Ohio, but we will see how this holds up. This gentleman purchased this and brought it to me. It's very dirty and dusty. Oh, there's a high spot right there. Let's go get our towel and see if we can level it. So this time of night is perfect for seeing high spots. This natural light. That one buffed right off. Where do we see the one? I'm notorious for up in these areas, but look at that. This has been about a half an hour, 45 minutes later. Love that I can do that. Right here's a little one. Can still come back and level it if you catch it within that hour or so, maybe longer. Right here. Buffs right off. Love that. So not only will new ceramic coating installers or newbies love it because it's easy to work with, but even people that do a lot of coatings like myself, who maybe are rushing a little bit, trying to get this in on a weeknight, still work my full-time job, but love that little attribute right there. I think they said, I have to double check, it can get out exposed in the weather about an hour after application. It's not going to rain tonight, but this is going to cure up very nicely here before he takes it home. Yep, right through here. I'm not that, I got to pay more attention around these A-pillars and mirrors, guys. But she's popping, looking gorgeous. Stay tuned, I'll do an update on this product later. I did not use it on the plastics. I did not use it on the wheels for my 1-year ceramic coating. It's just prep and coating of the painted areas. But yeah, it turned out gorgeous.